How to post GIF on BuddyPress Activity. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to post GIF on BuddyPress Activity. As you know, BuddyPress does not offer this feature. But with Youzify, you can have it with hundreds GIF collections. First, you need to install and activate the Youzify Pro version. You can purchase it on Code Canyon. Please click URL on the video description to go to the product page. Once Youzify is active, please go to Youzify panel and General Settings, and then Wall Settings. Enable Post GIF. Also, please enable the comments GIFs. Let's see the results. Now you have the GIF post feature. You also can post GIF on the comments section. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.